everyone, and welcome to the Q&A section of our Clymen robot cleaners. In this section, I have here some questions of our customers that I want to share with you, and so you can have a better experience with our robot cleaners. Here you have our three models, the Clymen Q7, Clymen Q8 and Clymen Q9. So now we have here our question number one. The question is, the suction is not powerful and it is hard to pick up pet hair and small particles. What to do about it? Yeah, with the Q7, the suction can be a little bit less powerful. So in certain cases, it's better for larger particles. Our Q9 is better because it has a roller brush. With the roller brush, it can take all the pet hair and all the dust, and it has a more powerful suction. So for small particles and pet hair, you have the Q9. The Q8 has also powerful suction, so you can use this as well. The Clymen Q7 I would use for larger particles and if you don't have pets in your house. So then, question number two. Why is a robot dropping some dust or dirt while cleaning? This can happen if the HEPA filter is dirty or clogged. So you have to make sure that the dustbin is empty enough and that the HEPA filter is clean. So if the HEPA filter is dirty, what to do? You take it out, you wash it with water, you wait until the HEPA filter is totally dry, then you can put it back into the dustbin, and then you can use all the robot cleaners and they will take all the dirt. Also, what can happen is that the robot cleaner is not fully charged. So if the battery runs empty, then it can happen that it doesn't take all the dust, all the particles. So what you have to do is let the robot cleaner go back to the charging dock, let it get fully charged, and then the robot cleaner can do its work again. So then, question number three. How to use the robot cleaner's mopping function with a carpet? If you have a carpet, please do not use the mopping function. Our Clymen Q7 doesn't have a mopping function, doesn't have a water tank, there's no problem. Q8 and Q9, they both have a water tank. So here you see the water tank with the mop. If you have a carpet, please take off the water tank and do not use it on the carpet. It's only for hard tile floors, wooden floors, you can use the mopping function. So with carpets, rugs, mats, please take them away or take off the water tank of your robot cleaner. Then question number four. Why is the robot missing some areas during cleaning? This might happen with the first few uses. You know, the robot cleaner, they have to know your room. They are bumping into things, so then they want to see how your room is. And the first few uses, they might forget a couple of areas because they're not familiar. It's like they're a bit lost, so they need to be first familiar with your rooms. So it's like you, when you're in a new environment, you might feel a bit lost, you don't know where you are. Same with the robot cleaner. So let it do its work, let it bump into things for the first few uses, then it will get used to it. If you are always changing your furniture, then of course the robot cleaner can never become familiar with your room. So leave the things as they are, your furniture, and the robot cleaner will get familiar with it. Also, if you have a lot of wires, cables, toys, clothes, a lot of little things on the floor, the robot cleaner will easily get stuck and it cannot clean thoroughly because it can't go around things. So pick up things from the floor, especially cables and wires, and then the robot cleaner can clean everything. Then we are at question number five. How long can you use the side brushes? The side brushes, here you have both side brushes, so we have two on each side. They can last, but it depends on the surface. So if you have a hard tile floor, they can last for around 200 hours. If you have a carpet, it might be around 100 hours. So it depends on the floor surface, it depends how many times you use it, it depends on how much dirt they have to collect, so it depends on a lot of factors. We give already 2 extra side brushes within your package, so with your first order you already get 2 for free, and then every time you need them, you can just contact us through email or on our website www.clymen.com, and you just ask for other side brushes and we can send them to your place. Then question number 6. Why can't my robot cleaner automatically recharge or can't find the charging dock? Probably you place a robot cleaner near too many things. So if you put the charging dock near a place where it's obscured by the couch or where there are too many big obstacles, then the robot cleaner might not find the charging dock anymore. So here you see, here this is a sensor. This sensor is in contact with the charging dock, and then the robot cleaner can go to the charging dock. You have to make sure there is free space of at least 1 meter around the charging dock. Also, if the robot cleaner, if you move it too far away, like more than 4 meters away from the charging dock, it cannot find the signal of the charging dock and it can't find its way back. So you have to be careful with this. Then question number 7. If the robot cleaner would get stuck, will the water keep on running out of the water tank and seep onto the floor? This will not happen. The robot cleaners are designed that if they get stuck, the water tank will not seep any water anymore. So it's only when it's moving that the water keeps on dripping, and then that they can mop the floor. Again, if you have carpets, rugs or mats, do not use the water tank, take it off, you just use the other functions. And if you have a wooden floor, there's no problem, because if it would get stuck, your wooden floor will not get damaged or anything. Then question number 8. Will the robot cleaner easily get stuck under furniture? Our robot cleaners are 9.5 centimeter high. So it means that here again you have the sensor. This is sticking out a little bit. Your furniture has to come above this thing, the sensor, and then there's no problem of the robot cleaner going under your bed, your sofa, some cupboards. It can clean it all really well. So it won't get stuck under furniture of a height of more than 9.5 centimeters. Again, if you have a lot of things on the floor, little things like wires, cables, toys and other things, then the robot cleaner will get stuck easily. So make sure you put all the things away, you pick them from the floor, and then the robot cleaner can really does its work very thoroughly. The next question, question number 9. It's cleaning an area repeatedly and the automatic cleaning mode cannot be restored. When the robot does this, you just turn it on and off again. So here you have the power switch, so you turn it on and off, then the robot cleaner restarts and it goes automatically in the automatic cleaning mode again, and it starts cleaning all over again. The process starts again. What Wi-Fi, then the last question, question number 10. What Wi-Fi can I use with the app? Our Clymen Q8 and Q9, so only these two models, can be connected to Wi-Fi. But at the moment, only 2.4G is able to connect. So if you have a 5G connection, unfortunately, the robot cleaner is not supported by your 5G, only 2.4G. So make sure that you have the right connection. Thank you for watching this Q&A. And if you want to have more information about our robot cleaners, please visit our website www.clymen.com. You also, with your purchase, you find this warranty card. With this warranty card, you can have 3 months extra warranty. You have an email address, you send an email to this email address and we give you 3 months extra. Also, if you have any questions, please send us an email. So we also have a video manual on how to use this robot cleaner. You can find this manual on YouTube and on our website as well. Thank you for watching.